Today I'm going to teach you how to turn off double opt-in in Klaviyo. This is particularly useful if you want to streamline your sign-up process and add subscribers to your list immediately without requiring them to confirm their email address first. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to klaviyo.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Klaviyo dashboard where you can manage all your email marketing activities. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here you'll see a navigation menu with various options. Click on Audience. This section is where you manage all your contacts, lists, and segments, making it the central hub for organizing your subscriber base. After clicking on Audience, you'll see several options appear. From these, click on List and Segments. This will show you all the different lists you've created in your Klaviyo account. It's important to choose the right list since each one can have different opt-in settings configured. Now locate and click on the specific list where you want to turn off double opt-in. This could be your main newsletter list, a promotional list, or any other segment you've set up. Clicking on it will open up the detailed view of that particular list. Once you're viewing your selected list, look towards the top of the page where you'll find several tabs. Click on Settings. This is where you can modify various configurations for your list, including the opt-in process, which is what we're focusing on today. In the Settings area, you'll see different options related to how your list operates. Click on Consent. This section specifically deals with how subscribers are added to your list and what permissions are required. It's a critical area for compliance and user experience. Now you can see the opt-in process settings clearly displayed. By default, Klaviyo sets this to double opt-in, which means subscribers must confirm their email address before being added to your list. To change this, simply click on Single Opt-in. This option allows subscribers to be added immediately upon sign-up without needing to confirm through a secondary email. After selecting Single Opt-in, make sure to click Save to apply these changes. This ensures that your new setting is activated and all future signups will follow the single opt-in process. You might need to wait a moment while Klaviyo processes and saves your changes. And that's it. You've successfully turned off double opt-in for your Klaviyo list. Your subscribers will now be added immediately when they sign up, making the process faster and more seamless. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.